Today I'm going to make a very simple pasta dish with you. Pay attention. It's simple in the sense that there are only a few ingredients and the preparation is quick and easy. But please make sure to do it right. Just because it's simple doesn't mean it'll be good, to be clear. To make it turn out well, you need to pay attention to a few small, simple details. Prepare these spaghetti with me because they're fabulous. Let's get started. So, first of all, after rinsing the small tomatoes, I blanch them for a minute in unsalted water. If the water isn't boiling, make sure to leave them in for a little longer. Then I take them out and put them in ice water to stop the cooking. Then I peel them quickly. See? There's not even any need to use a knife in most cases. At most, I just give them a light touch. As you can see, I'm using cherry tomatoes and date tomatoes half and half in equal parts. And the cherry tomatoes are a bit bigger and with the skin slightly tougher. So for a better result, put them to blanch about 30 seconds before the others. So maybe let the date tomatoes stay for a minute. And the cherry tomatoes for a minute and a half. As I said before though, the water needs to be boiling well. If it's not boiling properly, leave them in for about a minute longer. So 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes for the cherry tomatoes, 2 minutes for the date tomatoes. Once the cherry tomatoes are peeled, I cut a clove of garlic in half and leave the germ in. Then I cut another couple of small cloves and remove the germ from them. I chopped the ones without the germ. Perfect. Now I put plenty of extra virgin olive oil in the pan, add a halved clove of garlic and add the chopped garlic. Then I add a bit of chili pepper and let it saute over low heat. Very good. Now I remove the halved clove and immediately add the cherry tomatoes. Move them around a bit and let them soak up the flavor in this wonderful oil. I season with salt. Then I add a ladle of boiling water. I set it on low heat, cover with the lid, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Perfect. Now that the water is boiling, I add salt and put the spaghetti in to cook. Okay, and now I gently crush the cherry tomatoes. Be careful if you use a fork. Otherwise you'll ruin the pan. Then I turn up the heat a bit. And 1 minute before the end of cooking, I transfer the spaghetti to the pan and I let them absorb the flavor and finish cooking in the sauce. At this stage, add plenty of basil as well. And then when the pasta is al dente, I turn off the heat and I plate it. Let's see. Oh my. They're delicious. Make them. I didn't even make them. Jeez. Do you put it in? Was saying make them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I want to say bon appetit.